My role on set was sound recordist, so it was my job to not essentially shove a boom in someone's face, but have it close enough and then move it, say, between two people, or hold it between them and try and get the best pickup from them. Some of the challenges, one of them's working in a cramped environment, such as the bedroom shop. There's not really enough room in there for two people, let alone for a big light, a camera, tripod, and then all the crew that sort of comes with that. Another challenge, I would say, was using equipment that was on the budget end of the scale and stretching its legs to make it work. But we managed. My highlight from set would be, I will say, the crew. All the random conversations, usually stemming off a outtake or someone flipping their lines or a mistake. It's just that the conversations that immediately follow that were usually hilarious. Well, the whole point of it is to raise awareness about ME and some of the effects of ME. I hope it does just that.